Worst jump rope advice ever. In order to do a double under, which is where you jump once and the rope rotates around you 2 times, you need to rotate the rope really hard 1 time and then just let it come around for the second rotation. This is simply not how a double under is performed at all. In fact, that's not how you perform anything faster. This method would have the rope going through a constant state of acceleration followed by deceleration, which is incredibly inefficient. What you really want is to get your rope speed up to double under pace and then maintain that same speed for longer and longer periods, thus allowing you to do more and more double unders. If you want exact drills to master double unders, then check out this video on my channel. It is hands down the best double under tutorial on the internet. You need to keep your elbows pinched to your sides. Can you jump rope like this? Yeah. Can you jump rope like this and progress your skills and abilities? No, not really. You will not find highly skilled jumpers of the rope using this form. Let's take a look at some of them for an example. Notice their arm positioning, close to their sides, hands at hip level, and using a pretty short rope. Their elbows are not pinned to their side, but pointed backwards. This helps with proper rope rotation. So don't flare your hands out away from your body. Bring them in as close as you can while the rope is still clearing your shoulders. Then size your rope accordingly. When jumping rope, you need to pull your shoulder blades back and together. Let's make one thing clear. This is not an athletic position. This is how you play dinosaur with your nephew. Instead, you want to pull your shoulders down and feel your lats engage. This is going to stabilize the shoulders, which is especially important when using heavy weighted jump ropes. Beginners should use a longer rope because it allows for more room for error. The real problem here depends on what sizing method you use. If you're using the universal sizing method where you stand on the rope and bring the handles up to your armpit, this is going to leave your rope too long every single time. If you use the golden zone method, then you want to start at the top of that range. But notice how much shorter the top of the golden zone method is from your armpit. This is a significant difference. Furthermore, the goal should not be to allow for extra room for error. It should be to dial in your precision and consistency to get your rope as short as you can while still being able to perform at your desired level. This is a long game that will adjust over time, so aim small, miss small. Even as a beginner, you can start learning tricks and skills immediately. I see many jumpers who have gone this route, and it has clearly held back their progression. Yeah, they can do a fair amount of tricks, but they perform them at a low level because in their haste to learn more skills and tricks, they have never built the proper foundation of form and technique. This ultimately holds them back because if or when you correct your fundamentals, it will change how you perform everything, essentially making you learn everything over again in the better form. So save time and build the proper foundation, and you can do that with this video right here.